one time, for example, and you smack her back, wouldn't that set a law that you can't be treated this way? Just stop.
I don't think the guy should ever get to go.
Really? Yeah. Not even to protect himself against it?
No, what did he protect?
He's a human being.
What?
Supporters have forcefully taken over the revolution in the name of Islam, Shia Islam.
We cannot overemphasize the
I don't know. Over that way. Oh, see you, bro.
The problem we solve today at enterprises is very, very simple and very focused, right? Anytime we go into or talking to an
Exactly. And now I'm just
Holy
getting ready to
fuck me. I almost got in a I was so close just now to getting into a car crash.
A few more suburban women attack his wife as well. So when I talk to Trump allies and advisors, many of them view the last 3 weeks.
Younger workers for the job market that they're about to enter, because the pace of technological change is now so rapid. Some experts suggest that we might need to start rethinking our basic conception of a career.
The majority of people will end up having an episodic career.
Buddy.
It's great to ask kids, for example.
For a reason, for sure. And she found it.
Yeah.
I also hate the friend being like,
Jesus.
Yeah, she's getting drunk. It's like, I'm also triggered. It's like.
Focus. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. What?
Oh my goodness gracious.